Oh, nope. So we're picking up, and this is the second part. We have, what is the slope of the line that passes through the point? We only have points, so we have to use our y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 formula. And that's part of it. This was a 2-point question. So I'd label them x1, y1, x2, y2, 8 minus 0 over negative 5 minus 6. I'm sorry, I wrote that wrong. 6. I was like, what did I do wrong? I wrote that backwards. I apologize. So you should have done x2 minus x1. I'm like, I know I did that wrong. Okay, so my fault. 8 minus 0 is 8. Leave, change. This is 11. So this is what you needed to get full credit. You needed all of this to get full credit. If you did this right, but you didn't do this right, then you got partial credit. If you didn't do any of it, you got it all wrong. So you should have 8 11s on that number. Okay. Number 7, the senior class is selling t-shirts for a fundraiser. The graph below shows the profit in dollars the senior class will earn based on the number of t-shirts. So what is the slope? So we're looking for slope. So we can do the 2 points. Okay, or we can do rise over run. I'm just gonna show you both, but I'll do the points first. So I'm gonna do a point pretty good within the graph. Okay, so I'm gonna say this point, it's 30, 40, and the next point where it crosses the crosshairs right here is 40, 80. So x1, y1, x2, y2, 80 minus 40 over 40 minus 30. 80 over 40 is 40. 40 minus 30 is 10. 10. I dropped those zeros off. It's going to be 4. So my slope, I think, is 4. Let's check it rise over run. So if I rise right here, 20, 40, I need to make sure I'm looking at my numbers. And I'm going to run 10 here. Same thing, I'm going to get 4. So looking at the cost per shirt is $4. Okay, number 8, find the slope of the line that passes through, and it just gives us 2 points, and we just need to solve it. x1, y1, x2, y2. So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Negative 5 minus 3 over negative 1 minus 1. Leave, change. Negative 8, leave, change. Negative 2. A negative and a negative make a positive. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Answer choice H. Okay. Similar triangles ABC and MMA, NMA shown on the coordinate grid below. Which proportion? Okay, so depending on how you set this up, this could be worked a lot of different ways. I would find the slope, is what I would have done, and then find the one that matches it. Okay, so if you find the slope, if you do your own point, if you do y2 minus y1, 2 points. Okay, this one is negative 8, negative 7. And then this one is negative 3, negative 5. Okay, and we figure out that x1, y1, x2, y2, negative 5 minus negative 7 over negative 3 minus negative 8. Okay, so if I leave, change, 2, leave, change, 5, I get 2/5 for that one. So if they're following along the same lines, they're more than likely 2/5, but I'll go ahead and show you the second point. And then this is 5, 7, negative 1. Okay, so x1, y1, x2, y2, negative 1 minus a negative 7, 7 minus negative 8. Leave, change, should be 6 over 15, which if you check that out, you divide by 3, you should get 2/5, which is exactly what the other one was. So we're looking for one that matches up here, 2/5. If you look on your graphs, I actually didn't have one that matched up. So we're gonna check, like if you do leave, change, you should get negative 2, leave, change, you should get positive 1. Well, negative 2 over 1 does not match these, so probably not here. Leave, change, change, you should have got 5. Leave, change, change, you should have got 2. That's 5 over 2, so it's reversed. So probably not here. And then this is, somebody shut the door, please. Leave, change, change, it's negative 8 over negative 15. So if you can't simplify that anymore, so that's not going to work. And then right here, this would be negative 2 over negative 5, which negative and negative make a positive, so that's 2/5. Let's check the other side. Leave, change, change, negative 6, leave, change, change, negative 15, negative and negative make a positive, and that reduces to 2/5. So answer choice C. Okay. And then number 10. Number 10 is a ladder rises 20 feet for every horizontal change of 4. What is the slope? Rise over run. So rise is 20 for every 4, which reduces to 5. Answer choice J. The table below shows a cross. What is the slope and the y-intercept? Okay, so slope, we're changing here. It's 240, 240 all the way down. You notice the change. Okay, this is 2, 2, 2. So 240 over 2 reduces to 120. Okay, so 120 is your slope. Okay, so we can mark out B and D based on that information. Okay, now we can put it in our formula. Remember that we did on the other one. This would be 1.2. We'll use our first point. 6 plus B. We don't know B. That's what we're looking for, is 1220. So 1.2 times 6 is 7.2 plus B equals 1220. Minus 7.2 minus 7.2. B is going to equal, sorry, I got a little ahead of you, 5. You might catch up. So answer choice A. And then our last question, which equation of the line of the slope is negative 2 and a y-intercept? So we need to make sure we mark that out, so we're starting with even. Our slope should be our M. Okay, so M is 2, so we should look for 2x. Okay, well, or it's negative 2x. Okay, so start there. So here we are, and then our y-intercept is 4, so it's a positive 4. So answer choice J is our best bet. Okay, so when you're done with corrections, make sure you turn them into your teacher. If you still are unsure about a question, talk with one of us and let's go over it.